BOSS ERP. Finance Module. Complete financial management for modern enterprises. From general ledger to AI-powered insights, everything you need in one powerful platform. Your finance dashboard gives you instant visibility into your entire financial position. Cash position, accounts receivable, accounts payable, fixed asset values, budget utilization, and a 14-day cash flow forecast. All in one glance. With quick actions to create journals, view reports, and manage your finances effortlessly. A flexible chart of accounts with unlimited hierarchy levels. 5 core account types: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Each account supports multi-currency, budget controls, and bank account integration. Header and detail accounts keep your structure clean. Control accounts link seamlessly to your subledgers. Powerful journal entry management with a complete status workflow. Draft, pending, posted, and reversed. Create manual entries or let the system auto-generate journals from AP, AR, fixed assets, payroll, and inventory. Set up recurring journal templates with daily, weekly, monthly, or annual schedules. Every entry tracks cost centers, projects, and departments for dimensional analysis. Accounts payable with full 3-way matching. Match purchase orders, goods received notes, and vendor invoices automatically. Track outstanding balances, overdue invoices, and pending approvals at a glance. Every invoice supports multi-currency, tax groups, and cost center allocation. Place invoices on hold, track payment status, and post to the general ledger automatically. Accounts receivable with built-in E-invoicing support. Track customer invoices from draft to collection. Monitor outstanding balances, overdue amounts, and due this month totals. A complete collection management system lets you track calls, emails, visits, and promise-to-pay commitments. Credit decision tracking helps you manage customer credit limits with approval workflows. Bank reconciliation made effortless. Import bank statements, and let the auto-matching engine do the work. Smart matching rules with confidence scoring identify matches instantly. Review unmatched items, reconcile book versus bank balances, and track running balances per transaction. Complete reconciliation history with user and timestamp tracking. Budget management with annual, quarterly, monthly, and project-based budgets. Allocate budgets by account, cost center, department, or project. Track original versus revised amounts with full revision history. Compare planned versus actual spending with variance analysis. Enable budget controls per account to prevent overspending before it happens. Fixed asset management covers the complete asset lifecycle. Register assets with acquisition details, serial numbers, and location tracking. Choose from 3 depreciation methods: straight line, declining balance, or units of production. Run depreciation automatically by category or company-wide. Track disposals with gain and loss calculations. Asset categories define default depreciation settings and GL account mappings. Payment processing with intelligent batch payment runs. Select payable invoices by due date, vendor, amount, or currency. Filter for overdue items only. Approve and post payment batches, then generate EFT files in NACHA, SEPA, or BACS formats for direct bank transmission. Individual payments support partial allocation, early payment discounts, bank charges, and write-offs. Full multi-currency support with automatic exchange rate application. Track every transaction in its original currency and your base currency simultaneously. Period-end currency revaluation calculates unrealized gains and losses automatically. Withholding tax management generates WHT certificates with filing status, income type categorization, and threshold-based calculations. Period closing with a structured checklist workflow. Close each module independently. General ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, and inventory. Move through stages from soft close to hard close. Reopen periods when needed with full audit trail. Year-end closing handles retained earnings, closing entries, and opening balances for the new fiscal year. 14 powerful financial reports. Trial balance, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, general ledger, AP aging, AR aging, bank reconciliation, budget versus actual, financial ratios, journal register, and cash flow forecast. Each report supports date ranges, filtering, and export. Your complete financial picture, available instantly. AI-powered finance takes your operations to the next level. Anomaly detection uses machine learning to flag unusual transactions and potential fraud across millions of entries. Predictive cash flow uses profit and LSTM models for 90-day forecasting with 89% accuracy. SOX compliance monitoring automatically tests 234 controls with 98.5% compliance. Plus AI invoice processing, driver-based budgeting, rolling forecasts, and continuous auditing. Complete subledger management for customers, vendors, and employees. Entity accounts with multi-location support. Automatic GL posting with configurable templates. Currency revaluation for multi-currency entities. Bad debt provisioning. Advance applications. And full reconciliation between subledger and general ledger accounts. Intercompany transactions with automatic matching, netting, and elimination journals. BOSS ERP Finance Module. Complete. Intelligent. Enterprise-ready. And many more features being added continuously. From chart of accounts to AI-powered compliance, every feature built for businesses that demand financial excellence. Contact BossTech Innovation today.